So the last thing we have is that hideous clip. So let's do it.
This is the balancing axe. Like I said, this little piece needs to line up right here in that notch. So, should sit like this. We're gonna try to go bottom first. We got the bottom hook in. Got that hook. And we're gonna try to push this top one in. And no way. That way much easier than the last side. Take my cheater bar. There we go. I don't know if you guys saw that fall and snap in. So the brake is on there solid.
That was way easier than the other side. It took me probably 10 tries on the other side to get it. But see, it's nice and flush and there's no play when you pull on it. Before this clip is in, if you pull on this, the caliper does move a little bit because everything, like I said, is kind of pressure fit. So that's it.